right, so how would you, in your own words, define civics?
Civics is really the study of the American Constitution and a look at public life and the role that people play in both. I think a big part of civics education is teaching them the importance of why they need to get involved.
We have the right to vote, we have the right to protest due to the First Amendment, right to assembly.
You have to know your history, so I feel like it's very important that you know and study your government because you can't complain about it if you don't know how it works.
Well, you're always gonna stand up for what you believe in. So if you believe that a certain law should not be passed, you can protest or something. If you believe that a certain law should be passed, you can write a proposal to a senator.
We're going to talk a little bit about trial by jury.
I learned that it was something that we have as a right, and I hope I get chosen for jury duty one day.
Here we are, Your Honor. And you get a robe, too. Comes with the chair.
I didn't know that the Supreme Court people could work their whole lives in that one job.
My favorite would have to be the civil rights movement. I think it's important because a lot of things that activists fought for back then are still fighting for now. I look at it and I take it on and I say, oh, I have to do something about it, I have to try and fix it.
In order to preserve our democracy, we really need to understand where our students are at and where they need to be in order to be able to participate.
If people really stood up for what they believed in, it could really change everything. And those few people, without knowing it, they have the power to really change society.